them off. Holy cow. Welcome to Teamrocketgarage. I've got one heck of a thing to show you today. Oxedo reached out to me and said, hey, you should check out our headlights. They're a pretty good product. And I said, you know what? I'll check them out. So they sent some over to me. So I'm gonna put them in my car and I'm gonna do a little bit of testing and I'll explain to you how that testing works. But I really wanna find out if these LED headlights can really hang with the performance of a standard halogen at pretty much the same price. They promise a longer life and even more brightness with less power usage. So thanks to Oxedo, let's go ahead and get these in the Nissan Sentra and take a look, see how they do. So we've got the headlights here. They're fully sealed. I've got my razor right there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's white gloves. Okay. Wow. All right. Let's put these on. Got a product manual here. I'm gonna go over this in a second, but we've got these headlights and holy cow, look at these bad girls. Wow. Okay. Let's get these in the car. They're a little bit buried. I'm gonna see if I can reach them here. We gotta rotate this guy right here. Rubber cover thing we gotta pop off there. It's got a little seal on it. And then we can get the bulb itself out. Looks to have a wire retainer. Yep. I'm super happy Oxedo sent me these gloves. My hands would be getting torn up. So we've got the new headlights here. Grab one of these, just go ahead and install it. So there's tabs on here that will make sure that it goes in the right direction, which is really, really cool. Take little seal back on here. This plug here. Oh god, wow, that was pretty easy. Before we put the holding ring on there, we'll just power the light on, make sure it works. Well, I can already visually notice a difference, but we're gonna wait until nighttime to really see what these do, because I've got some science to do. But gosh dang, you can tell the difference already. Holy cow. We've got the headlights installed in the Sentra. They look awesome in the daytime, but I'm gonna give you some footage at the nighttime because you don't really have to wait for that. So here you go. Oh, hey, did you turn on subscription? Did you subscribe and then hit notifications so you can see every time I post a video? Go ahead and fire them off. Holy cow. We're at the same shutter speed, f-stop, and aperture. High beams. All right, and then low. Okay, I think these headlights need to be aimed. They're pointing down just a little bit. Okay, and then high beams, low. You can definitely see like where the line is, where like the headlights are kind of focused on, but honestly, they're not super duper focused. They have that LED thing where, let's see here, where's my, yeah, so that's like it going in and out of the focus beam. So not bad. Yeah, that's actually pretty decent focus, but yeah, we'll have to get these aimed just a little better, but yeah, dramatically brighter. What do you think, Ash? Yeah, they're way brighter. Well, cool. I've got to give you guys a review of the headlights on the Sentra there. I was impressed by their profile and all their information on their website. However, I personally, well, I guess a few things. So the headlights are brighter, absolutely. The white color, I don't love. I don't love the white color, and I wish there was an amber option. Maybe I missed it, I'm not sure. I have considered also doing like an amber like headlight cover, just to kind of give it that amber look. So beyond that, the focus isn't the absolute best. The beam is really good, but there is still a lot of light that makes it out of there. And I don't know if you guys can see that in the video that I made. I'll put it on screen right now. Now, things that I do like, the lights use noticeably less power. My car has like a 50 amp alternator, and for reference, my town car over here has like a 200 plus amp alternator. So the Sentra's alternator is really, really small. It's just heater, headlights, and windshield wipers is kind of all that's in there. So I had to worry about kind of the voltage because it is an older car, and so the voltage itself would end up kind of dropping over the period of a drive. If you're like high beams, heater, wipers in the snow, like you're really, really working it, and that voltage really, really drops into the mid to low 13s, but it stayed above 14 the whole time. So it really did a good job with all of that going. I didn't even have to think about if I was running my heater or anything like that, which is awesome. I did notice an improvement in the amount of electricity used and the amount of actual light that makes it down. And I was very impressed by the quality, the feel of the product itself. Go down to the description, click my link, that'll give you 10% off, and make sure you use the Teamrocketgarage code, that's TRG, code TRG, to get 15 more % off your headlights for an absolute steal of a deal on some awesome LED headlights. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Oh, come on.